In today's video, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to use Notion as a second brain. We'll keep it simple and build a core system with 3 top-level pages: projects, areas, and resources, plus a single inbox to capture everything. Starting lean prevents overwhelm and helps you see where each idea should live. Begin by setting up your inbox. Create a quick capture option, whether that's a button on your dashboard or a dedicated inbox page. Any new thought, task, or idea goes here first. No sorting, just capture. Then, make time to process this inbox regularly. Move each item to its proper place. Turn a rough note into a project if it has a clear outcome. Convert a reminder into a task, or attach a snippet to your resources. If something doesn't matter, archive it so your system stays clean. Next, structure your system. In projects, use a database. Give every project properties like status, the related area it supports, and a relation to its tasks. Within each project page, add the tasks it requires so you can see everything in one context. For areas, create a page that lists your enduring responsibilities, things like health, finances, or work. These aren't tasks, they're categories that persist over time and give your projects a home. For resources, set up another database for bookmarks, articles, and notes. Add tags or categories so you can find what you need quickly. If you take a lot of notes, keep them in a notes database so everything stays searchable. When a note supports a project, link it directly so context is never lost. Consider a simple project template with sections for goals, scope, and a linked tasks view. Keep statuses lightweight, think inbox and completed at minimum, so you can filter easily across your workspace. Now link and connect. Relate tasks directly to their projects so progress is visible where it matters. Use backlinks to tie together related notes, resources, and projects without building complicated webs of databases. Keep connections purposeful and easy to navigate. Finally, process regularly. Dedicate a small block of time to triage new entries, organize them into projects, areas, or resources, and send anything old or irrelevant to an archive page. Use filters and views to focus. A helpful example is a live tasks view that shows only tasks whose status is not inbox and not completed, so the next actions rise to the top without noise. That's the core. Capture quickly, structure clearly, connect what relates, and process on a steady cadence. Start simple, and let your Notion grow with your needs, not the other way around.